Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at an essential accessory for anyone using the SII DPU-201G-05 DPU-G Seiko direct label printer, the HISPD AC adapter. This isn't just a standard power supply. It's engineered for ultimate convenience and robust performance, making it an excellent choice for keeping your label printer powered up wherever you are. One of the most striking features of this HISPD AC adapter is its incredibly compact and thoughtful design. It effortlessly slips into a handbag, perfect for professionals on the move. You can even tuck it directly into a jacket pocket, which is quite remarkable for a device housing critical electronic components. This exceptional portability means you're never restricted to a single location, offering unparalleled flexibility whether working from a coffee shop, a client's office, or simply moving between rooms at home. Its low consumption further enhances its appeal for on-the-go use. Despite its diminutive size, the adapter makes no compromises on the quality of its internal electronic equipment. Manufactured from high-quality materials, it prioritizes durability and reliability. More importantly, it's packed with a comprehensive suite of protection features, offering users immense peace of mind. This includes OCP over current protection, OVP over voltage protection, OTP over temperature protection, and SCP short circuit protection. These built-in safeguards are crucial, collectively ensuring stable and secure power delivery to your valuable Seiko printer, preventing damage from excessive current, voltage spikes, overheating, and electrical shorts. This HISPD AC adapter is specifically engineered for your SII DPU-201G-05 DPU-G Seiko direct label printer, ensuring a perfect match. Its wall mount design adds practicality, allowing for a neat setup. Meeting the ICO specification, it demonstrates a commitment to quality. For anyone seeking a reliable, safe, and supremely portable power solution for their Seiko label printer, this HISPD AC adapter truly delivers, offering a seamless and worry-free experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.